So the good thing about this LCD is that it gives you the status, and I personally, you know, I think the problem is with the LCD is it doesn't really tell you what you're supposed to do. So we have to ultimately put like a little sign that says dial the unit number or scroll. And for scrolling, you actually have to press the call button first, and then you can scroll. Another problem is the this is called the nickname. So the nickname field is not long enough. This apartment number 1 should be Brancolini Contreras, but I haven't been able to put the eras at the end of Contreras because the field is not long enough. So these are the downfalls with this scrolling unit. I think the 5-button modules are pretty simple. It's just a matter of having to relabel the units every time people move out and in. This, as long as we put a sign there that says press the call button and then scroll. So for example, I put myself in unit number 8. So if I press 8 and
Calling now.
then
Please
it
wait a
will
moment.
call that. So we may actually have to make this a little bit more, actually put some instructions there if we're going to use this keypad.